Alright guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to open an interactive broker's account, right? So this is a brokerage platform that I personally use. It's regulated by the US regulators and also is covered by SIPC insurance, right? So SIPC insurance basically is a guarantee from the government of the United States that they cover $500,000 of your cash and also securities, right? Obviously, this has nothing to do with your trading or anything. If you trade and you lose money, that's something else, right? But they cover in case the brokerage goes bankrupt, right? That's the important part. So if you do want to support the channel, you can always scroll down here and press this IBKR referral link. And this will give you basically up to $1,000 of IBKR stock for free, right? If you meet all the deposit requirements. So if we click into interactive brokers, this is the website that we should see. And when we press open an account, right, this is start your application, etc, etc. And basically these are all the things that you'll need to fill in. Let's just put in everything. But I'm not going to fill it in. You guys can go and fill it in yourself, right? Because this is obviously, again, a lot of sensitive information. And also, it won't let me open an account because I already have an account with them. But just for an explainer's sake, I'm going to talk about a few things that you'll probably need, right? You'll probably need like your bank statements, proof of income, tax ID, all these kind of numbers, right? If you don't have, also there's an option for that. But basically, a lot of people will be asking, okay, why do they have to ask for so much information, blah, 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 double confirm, triple confirm, this thing is not valid? Because I guarantee you part of this process, right, you will submit a bank statement, then they'll say, okay, I cannot take this bank statement, can you give me another bank statement, blah, blah, blah. And this is because they are tightly regulated by the US government, right? And this is to make sure that this platform is not going to take all your money and just bye-bye. So the reason why they ask you for so much details, right, is because they are tightly regulated. You can see the headquarters is in New York and they are founded in 1982, right? So this brokerage has been around for roughly 40 something years, right? And when you take a look at the SIPC website, you can see that they are one of the covered members, right? Along with all the other regulated stuff. So they are a $107 billion company, right? So you can rest assured that your funds are quite safe with this kind of brokerage, right? So the next step is I want to talk about the transfer balance from Wise, right? Because this can be linked to your account and then every time you can initiate from your interactive broker's account to deposit, right? And it's just as simple as that, right? And if you haven't watched my Wise video, obviously go watch a video, right? Because this will save you a lot of money, right? Roughly about every $1,000 that you transfer in, some of the banks are taking 60 to 70 ringgit of your money, right? So if you do like 10,000, that's already 600 or 700 ringgit, right? So yeah, this is actually a shorter tutorial because I didn't actually want to walk step by step how to do all the details because there's a lot of sensitive information in there, right? So that's about all I wanted to share today. If you did enjoy the video, do help me smash up the like button, hit subscribe, and also hit the bell button. With that being said, have a fantastic day ahead and peace out.